In the beginning, everything is darkness. Okay. Uh, this video I'm going to see. We are trying to explore the universe. Okay. Let's try to experience that we are in the universe. What what is really happened? So if you do the experiment, it should be in the dark place because everything is dark. Everything is darkness. And the God said, "Let there be light." Let there be light. Oh my God. And there was light. The light that shine into the universe. Okay. So everything is should be dark. Only that light. You can see only that light. And God created the moon. Let's say this is your moon. Actually, in darkness, if there is an object, you will see the object, but it's totally darkness. So that's what happened. That million, you said that is a million miles. So we are now in the universe. God created the moon, and this is it. Okay. So if this moon covering the same size, you will see the whole universe. Okay. That's the rules. You have to cover the light the same size, like what happened in the solar eclipse. So outside the universe, this should be happening like that in globetrotters. Okay. Yeah, because if you cover only small, cannot. Now God, in your globetrotters, God created the Earth. But for us, the whole dome is already the solar system, including the planet. So this is the Earth. And we are inside the Earth. And let's go out in the universe. See? I'm outside the universe. I can see the sun. And the moon is passing by. See? That should be happen on Earth. If the one covering is almost the same size, there's no it is far actually. Okay? That's what you said, but I don't believe it. In flat Earth, the moon and the sun are same size. You see what happened? If you are outside the universe, this is what you are going to see. Once the moon is blocking the sun, same size, this should be happen. The shadow will become big, not getting small. Okay? So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy traveling outside the universe. Don't be fooled by the globetrotters. Thank you.